In this video, I'm going to demonstrate adding a data series to an existing chart, and I'm going to use the sector percentages column chart that I created earlier. So I'm going to start out by going to the Chart Tools Design tab, and then I'm going to go to the Data group and click the Select Data button. I'm going to click Add. And I want to go then to the sectors worksheet, which is where the original data came from. And the series name will be S&P 500 baseline, this column of information. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to press the Tab key to move down to the series values, which are contained in these cells. And I'm going to go ahead and select those cells. And now I've selected all of the information for my new data series. So I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click OK again. And here I see that it has added in the S&P 500 data series as these red columns. The next thing I want to do is to change the S&P 500 baseline series from a column chart to a line chart. So I will actually have a combination chart here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the red columns to select that data series. And then I'm going to go back to the Chart Tools Design tab. And I'm going to click on Change Chart Type. And in the line group here, I'm going to select a line with markers. And then I'm going to click OK, and the S&P 500 baseline data series has changed into a line chart. I then want to make some modifications to the line chart. So I'm going to go to the Layout tab, to the Format Selection button and the Current Selection group. And the first thing that I want to do is to remove the line. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Line Color to do that. And in the line color options, I have an option where I can click No Line. Then I'm going to modify the markers, which are all that's left of that chart. So I'm going to go to the marker options, and I'm going to click Built-in, which gives me some flexibility to choose how I want that marker to look. And I want to add a horizontal line, and I'm going to add the larger one. And then I'm going to increase the size of that line. So now you see our new chart here. Now, because I've added another data series into this chart, it would be helpful to have a legend so that the user understands what the columns and the markers mean. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Chart Tools Layout tab. And in the Labels group, I'm going to click on Legend, and I'm going to click Show Legend at Top. Now I have a legend that explains what the columns and the markers represent. So I'm finished modifying the sector percentages chart so that it is now a combination of two data series.